And we begin with Lee Canyon getting hit hard by heavy snowfall and residents there, as well as those on Mount Charleston. They're also feeling those impacts. Good evening and thank you so much for joining us tonight live at 11. I'm Abel Garcia.
And I'm Joe Mueller. An avalanche was reported near the Lee Canyon ski resort this afternoon, causing some panic for visitors. Our Alyssa Bethencourt has been following the story. She shares the very latest with us tonight.
Several agencies are now leading avalanche response efforts up on Lee Canyon, but the job is not an easy one. Crews are dealing with heavy snow and low visibility, making it incredibly difficult to get to people.
We went up there, we started skiing, but conditions were not very good.
Michelle Lee Flowers was trying to make the most of the snowfall on Lee Canyon. She went up the mountain on Monday morning for a ski day, but realized quickly the weather was less than ideal.
There are more people that are wiping out or falling down while skiing than people that are actually able to enjoy the mountain.
Because of that, Michelle and her family decided to call it, making their way home through the treacherous conditions.
It was like blizzardy, like you can barely see anything.
But others stayed behind, the weather worsening over time.
I'm like, this is not good. Number one, we might get stuck up here, or conditions can get very bad. We might not be able to leave, or like things can happen.
And things did happen. An avalanche was reported near Lee Canyon ski area at 1:20 on Monday afternoon. The resort immediately suspended all operations and ski patrol was dispatched looking for people who may have gotten stuck in the snow.
Definitely one ALS, I believe it's two, but I'll give the confirmation for you right now.
As teams searched, they came across one guest who had been injured and then treated. Calls to 911 reported the possibility of 4 people missing, all of them marked safe later in the evening. Now, crews are left to work through snowy and icy conditions as avalanche recovery efforts continue to make sure that no one is unaccounted for. I'm Alyssa Bethencourt reporting.
And there are no active reports of people missing. The Lee Canyon ski area will remain closed tomorrow and possibly on Wednesday. Guests with purchased lift tickets will be refunded.
That's right. No heavy snowfall remains in the forecast for tomorrow, and residents on the mountain are urged to exercise extreme caution. Four-wheel drive chains on tires. Now, Lee Canyon and Kyle Canyon roads remain closed at US 95.